Hello loving founder community. Well, here we are at the beginning of a normal work week in the USA, Sunday. Watching and listening to the webinar Friday from our CEO and leadership members about the new platforms being launched has been very emotional, especially when O Women was presented. Tears from so many were present and the heart of the community of OnPASSIVE was being shown by so many. This webinar was extremely a blessing, and if you didn't attend, I am sorry, as being there live was an experience that should have not been missed in my opinion. Yes, for sure you can see the recording in the future in your back office, but it's not like being there live and feeling connected as a real-time experience with your business of OnPASSIVE. I know that some may not be able to attend because of prior commitments and work-related life. So I am very grateful we have a back office where this webinar can be seen. I will be watching it again for sure, just for learning more about our products and to experience the love that was shared in this webinar. There has never a time I have felt this kind of company, family love between founders over my 19 years of being on the net. I am very proud to say I am a founder of OnPASSIVE. What an honor it is, and that really doesn't express my heart's feelings for this company. I am so grateful. Thanks, Ash, and all founders who have participated in this phenomenal private webinar for founders. Someday these videos will be available for viewing for the public to see. Once we have made our hard launch and private is now public with open doors to all. Then these webinar recordings will allow them to see the real heart of where OnPASSIVE has come from, showing the great integrity and love of who was behind the development and promotion of the world-class business. The webinar started at 9 a.m., finished at 2:11 Pacific Standard Time here in the San Juan Islands. The business of the OnPASSIVE webinar was about the launching of one new product, a powerful product for this world we live in, and greatly needed by many online businesses. O Tracker, truly something new. Then the most important non-product platforms we will ever launch will be O Women. This proprietary platform will empower women to like never seen in history to this day. This is a vision with understanding where we are as a society with women today because of Ash Mafare. Again, thinking out of the box with his caring for humanity as OnPASSIVE is the correction to the corruption of this world, and I personally think that women see this more clearly than men. As Ash said, how many women have you seen shooting up people in malls or collages or whatever ever? I don't recall any. But I have seen them respectfully serve and die for our country here in the US, and I'm sure in other countries as well. They deserve this platform 100%. Anyway, I am so blessed for being a founder of this company. I don't take it lightly, and I make it part of my lifestyle every day, and know without a doubt all that I get from this company will not just help me, but most important of all, will help others in this world in which we live. I hope you have a blessed week that's coming. It will take me all of this coming week just to digest what took place on Friday at this founder webinar. The only thing that was negative was the video conferencing platform we were using when it crashed at around 7,000 right in the middle of important things being shared, making me want O Connect to be unleashed on them. Thanks, Ash and the team in India, for the awesome presentations, and to all the leaders who shared about this Friday webinar. Love you all from the San Juan Islands and from the bottom of my heart. Gregory Hill USA. A Bill Must production.